Enter your email address and password, then hit the login button. Go to the menu panel in the upper left corner of your personal area and choose the personal area password option from the drop-down menu. Enter your current password, then type in and repeat the new one. Press the Change Password button. Go to the Account Settings page by clicking on your account number in the Trading panel. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the Create New and press the Generate Password button. Please note that you won't be able to log in with your old password once the changes are applied. That's it. You will see a new password in the account information block. Choose the Deposit Funds option in the menu panel. On the Deposit page, choose a preferred payment option from the list of payment systems. Specify the details in the Deposit Funds window and press the Deposit Funds button to continue. It may take up to 30 minutes to process your deposit request. You can track its status in the Request section. Choose the Trading Platform option in the menu panel. Select the MT4 or MT5 option for your system, iOS, Android, WebTrader, multi-terminal. Open the downloaded setup file and follow the instructions to complete the standard installation process.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.